this video will be showing you step by step how to connect FundingPips to TradeLocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fundingpips.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here you'll need to open up your account or sign up to your account if you don't already have one. Then from here it should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. From here you'll need to go over to the menu and click on this little briefcase over here called accounts. And then from here it should bring something like this. Here you'll see an overview of all of your existing accounts, but if you don't already have one, you can just buy one down here. And remember to select TradeLocker inside of trading systems once you buy your account. Once you have done that, this should be open up right here. Here you'll need to click on it, and then you'll see all of your login credentials. And the only thing you really need to have is the server ID. So you just need to copy that. And then from here you'll need to open up a new tab and go up to TradeLocker.com. From here you'll need to go down to Start Trading, and then from here you can go over to Prop Trading and find Funded Pips. Once you do that, you'll need to download TradeLocker onto your PC or smartphone device. From here you'll just need to open it up, and then it should bring something like this. Here you'll need to enter your email address that you used to register for your Funded Pips account and add your password that is linked to the Funded Pips account. Down here you'll need to paste in the server ID that Funded Pips had provided with you, and then you can click Login. Once you do that, you'll get into the dashboard of TradeLocker, where you can use TradeLocker however you seem fit. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!